and tote bag politics in Parliament. BJP MP Basuri Swaraj was seen there you can see those visuals. She was seen carrying this tote bag while attending a JPC which says National Herald ki loot, and this is referring of course to the National Herald case. The charge sheet was recently filed by the Enforcement Directorate in which the Gandhis have been named, and a tote bag earlier, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra in the past, many months ago, had been seen also carrying tote bags with messages when she attended a JPC. One was concerning Palestine, the other was concerning Bangladesh. So after that, we see now Basuri Swaraj carrying this tote bag which says National Herald ki loot. Let's just listen into what she said.
आप ये देखिए, ये पहली बार हुआ है कि डेमोक्रेसी का जो फोर्थ पिलर है, चौथे स्तंभ, यानी मीडिया को लेकर भी भ्रष्टाचार हुआ है। हाल ही में जो चार्जशीट ईडी ने फाइल करी है, ये बहुत ही गंभीर उदाहरण उजागर करती है जहां पर कांग्रेस की पुरानी एक कार्यशैली और उनकी विचारधारा उभर कर आती है। वो सेवा की आड़ में सार्वजनिक संस्थाओं को अपनी पर्सनल जागीर बढ़ाने का एक औजार बना लेती हैं। बहुत गंभीर मामला है। 2000 करोड़ रुपए की संपत्ति कौड़ियों के भाव मात्र 50 लाख रुपए में यंग इंडिया लिमिटेड कंपनी ने हड़प ली।
All right, we're now joined by Sujata Paul, spokesperson of the Congress Party. Your response to this, Basuri Swaraj carrying this tote bag with a message saying National Herald ki loot, and this is taking a leaf really out of what Priyanka Gandhi Vadra had done earlier, where she too had carried tote bags with messages.
I thank Basuri Swaraj for proving that the Bharatiya Janata Party are merely catty and copycat. And this copycat carrying this particular bag does prove that they have nothing to say about One Nation, One Election JPC that she is going to be attending. They have nothing to say about the issues plaguing the country, but attacking the Congress Party on the National Herald matter. Now, if the matter is in the courts now, because the charge sheet has already been filed, let the matter be taken up in court and let it be there. But why are you trying to create pressure on everybody? Because the main issue today is Nishikant Dubey and his attitude towards the Honorable Supreme Court and the Chief Justice of India, Sri Sanjeev Khanna ji, no less. And here we have an MP who has proved that she is a complete copycat of her mother also, because she has nothing original about herself. What her mother did as a parliamentarian, in spite of the fact that she was in our opposition, we have tremendous respect for her and her kind of politics. But when you talk about Basuri Swaraj, it is very clear that all that the MPs or the leaders of the BJP are doing are taking forward, propagating whatever directions they are getting from the top, and that's about it. So this really doesn't matter.
All right. Thanks so much, Sujata Paul, there for speaking to us and responding to this, what's taken place earlier of Basuri Swaraj carrying this tote bag with a jibe at the Congress, at the Gandhi family, where it says National Herald ki loot. Let's go across to Aishwarya now for more. And Aishwarya, this is after a few months ago, the Congress saying that the BJP is a copycat, because we do know, we are showing those visuals of a few months ago when Priyanka Gandhi Vadra too had carried a tote bag, one with a message on Palestine, the other with a message on Bangladesh. So now the BJP too, hitting back at the Congress using the same method.
Well, in fact, the Bharatiya Janata Party has done it earlier as well. I remember it was the parliament session when it was first Priyanka Gandhi Vadra who carried that bag with a message of Palestine, and later it was the Bangladeshi, Hindu atrocities that were taking place, and messaging was sent by Priyanka Gandhi to corner the government, and later it was Aparajita Sarang. Remember, she gifted that bag with 1984 Sikh Dange written over it, and it was the bag that was gifted to Priyanka Gandhi inside the Parliament complex as well. And the same method has been used today by Basuri Swaraj, a Bharatiya Janata Party MP, when Enforcement Directorate had filed a charge sheet in the court against Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi in the National Herald case, making them as an accused, and National Herald ki loot is something that was written on the bag that Basuri Swaraj was flaunting before going inside that particular meeting. Remember, Priyanka Gandhi herself is the member of the Joint Parliamentary Committee of the One Nation, One Poll, and on the sidelines of what will be discussed inside the meeting, it would of course the Bharatiya Janata Party, who will be questioning the Gandhi family from day one since the Enforcement Directorate filed the charge sheet. There are press conferences after press conference of the BJP MPs and senior leaders asking questions from the Gandhis that why they are silent over the alleged corruption that they have done in the entire National Herald, why there was a transfer from the AJL to Young India. Of course, Congress party had been defensive in their mode, and they had been stating that there is no corruption, only the stake shareholdings had been transferred to the directors of the Young India. There was no purchase and sale of the immovable properties that are mentioned in the charge sheet. So they have their own defense, but of course BJP attacking the Congress party, and today it is BJP MP Basuri Swaraj who has again done a back politics in which she is carrying a bag written over it National Herald ki loot.